Despite the required phase-downs, existing HVAC equipment that uses R-22 and R-410A can still be repaired after January 1st, 2025. Your policyholders can keep using their HVAC and refrigeration equipment that utilizes these refrigerants and are not automatically required to replace them. Although R-22 is no longer produced in the US, reclaimed R-22 remains available. R-410A is still manufactured, but its production is being reduced. Newly manufactured equipment will not use either of these refrigerants. With repairs still an option, it's critical to have an objective expert determine equipment repairability before settling for a full replacement. Also, keep in mind that existing R-22 or R-410A refrigerants within a system cannot be replaced with an A2L option. Navigating refrigerant changes can be challenging, especially when trying to combat misinformation that contractors may provide to your policyholders. You can rely on HVACi's expertise for objective, comprehensive assessments that incorporate superior regulatory knowledge, extensive experience, and insight into the cause of loss, and repair versus replacement recommendations. Submit an assignment today.